All right, let's go have a look at this garden. Come on. Will you show me some of the what you see in the garden?
Yeah.
Come on, let's see.
I see tomatoes.
Where?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Do you see any actual tomatoes in there?
I see some baby leaves, but I don't see any tomatoes in that one.
Just some flowers, huh?
And here's two baby tomatoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, two.
Oh, yeah, I see them. Two little babies.
And here
What else do you see?
is pumpkin. Red pumpkin.
I think that's actually another little stripy tomato.
Look at weird tomato.
Yeah, it's got stripes on it. It's going to be kind of different.
Orange.
Yeah, orangey tomato. What about the cucumbers? Look good? Oh yeah, look at that.
And over here is squash.
Oh, huh? What kind?
Butternut squash.
Yeah, butternut squash. I think.
Over there, I think is another butternut.
Or maybe it's acorn.
Maybe acorn squash.
I think so.
And over there is spaghetti squash.
Hey, you're right. It is a spaghetti squash.
And over here is some
Cantaloupe, yep.
I remember all the plants.
You remember all the plants. You have a good memory, you know that?
And over here is carrots.
Yep, and there's some carrots in there. They're just getting going now.
Carrots.
Carrots, yep.
All the carrots.
A couple broccolis too, right?
Yeah, a couple of apples.
Well, thanks for showing me around your garden. It looks really nice.
Watch, I can turn them into a jet.
Let's see. Whoa! That's crazy.